Hello everyone, this is Lalit from CodeDroid Hub. In the last video, we have seen a hash table view of Python dictionary and its implementation. In this video, we will see the things like loop over the dictionary keys, loop over the dictionary values, and the most important, how we can handle the situation when we don't have the key which we are trying to access in the dictionary. So here we have our dictionary students, we have all the keys and the values. Now let's suppose you want to have all the keys of this dictionary. But before that, let me show you how you can check the list of functions associated with the dictionary data type. So for this, you need to write data type name, in this case dict, dot, and then hit tab. And you will have all the functions associated with dictionary. In a similar way, you can check the functions associated with other data types. For example, string, dot, and hit tab, and you will have all the functions. Now moving on to the question, how we can have all the keys of the dictionary students. For this, we have a functions of the dictionary named as keys. As students is of type dictionary, thus we can access this function. So whenever we run this function, it returns all the keys of the dictionary. So here we have the list of keys of the dictionary. So now the question is, can we iterate or run a loop over the keys? So now let's try it. For key in students dot keys print key. So here we have all the keys in the output. Also, we know that once we have the key, we can easily access the value corresponding to the key. Students dot keys print key comma students using the square bracket method key, and here we have the output. So this is 2314001 and the associated value for this key is Deepak. Similar to keys, we have a dictionary function which returns all the values of the dictionary. So we need to write students dot values, call the function, run it. We have all the values of the dictionary students. We can also iterate over these values. Sorry, my mistake. Students. So here we have the output. Similar to keys and values, we have one more functions, that is items. What it function does, it returns the key value pairs inside a tuple. So we have multiple tuples consisting of key value pairs. So we can also iterate over these items as well. For item in students dot items print item. So we have multiple tuples in the output. So can we separate them? Yes. You just need to index them. So here we have the similar output. Now the other important but not the last function of dictionary is get function. The question was how to handle the situation when we don't have the key in a dictionary. And here the role of get function comes. What this function does, it takes the key and returns the value similar to the square bracket method. That is students square bracket, within that key 2314001, and let's print it. And here we have the value corresponding to this key. Now let's access the same value using the get function. So students dot get, within that we need to give the key. Let's print it. So we have the same value. But what if we don't have the key? Students dot get 2314007. In this case, when we don't have the key, it will return none value. Sorry, it will return none value. But in this method, in the square bracket methods, we will get the error. Now, here is the challenge for you. You need to make a Python program in which you need to find the frequency of each unique word in the user entered paragraph. For example, here we have a paragraph in which R has occurred 3 times, the word U has occurred 4 times, and so on. So you need to find the frequency of each unique word. You can post your answer on the GitHub and put the link in the comments. In the next video, I will show the answer along with the explanation. Thanks for watching.